Hey, so we are, or I am, in the salon. I usually have Alessia with me, but I just decided to vlog because today we are going to be deep cleaning the salon and transforming it into from the barbershop to the salon. So this space, like I said, used to be a barbershop. So it has somewhat everything that I need, and then some cases, mostly not everything that I need. So it's about disposing of some of the things that I don't need and trying to repurpose some of them and turn it from masculine to really feminine. Even though I probably will do like a few men's cuts or so, I just think my predominant clientele is going to be women. So I want to grow up the space. So I just wanted to share with you guys, whoever's watching this, like the space and how it looks right now. So today, this is garbage day. This is garbage day and deep clean day, okay? So I'm gonna get messy. I literally just walked in. I'm gonna take off my jacket, get comfy. I totally bummed it out today. I totally bummy. Ooh, all right, so today is garbage day, as I explained, and I am pumped for it. They're running a little bit behind, but I used them before for our pageant, and they were amazing. So shout out to Rummage. I believe it's Rummage. I'll link them in the bio, in the bio. I'll link them in the description bar. But his name's Dave, and his team is just amazing. So today I am on the mission of deep cleaning the space, and I'm starting from top left all the way to the back. So top, and work from side to side, and then I'll be going to the midsection. So I'm going to be focusing on the ceilings here, which we do have high ceilings. Let me show you. I know you might not get the vibe of that, but they're really high ceilings. Probably, I don't know, they're sunken in. It's so cool. You see that? Check out the Michael Jordan there. It reminds me of Home Alone. But that's gonna come down, no worries. I respect Jordan, love Jordan, but not in my salon. So yeah, we're going, today I am going to clean the space. Like I said, from top to bottom, there's like a little bit of cobwebs and things and dust that I just want to make sure I do my best. So it's going to be Norwexed, good old water, and dusting, and that will clear us up. After that, it's going to be all about cleaning our like blinds. Some things I'm going to take down because I probably just need to buy new ones. I just, at least right now, I'm gonna leave them and just clean them. But eventually I'm coming to the point where I realize that the vision that I have for the space, I have to get there slowly. Like, the most important thing is to get the bones put together. So kind of like the painting, the decor that you see or my clients are going to see is what matters the most. And underneath that, though, you can't just have a really pretty space. Like, I'm sure I can just come in here, and I've thought about it, come in here, take down the paintings, like patch the work, patch the holes, put up my little decor, and wait for state war to come and just open. But what you don't realize is that if you do that, there's going to be some things that just has to be corrected, like adding new electrical outlets throughout the space so it's more functional. I'm also going to have a charging station for clients, so things like that I just want to make it. And especially when I have my daughter here, I just think it's about not just getting it prepared, but trying to think of how the space, or how my clients are going to be functioning in the space, and how I'm going to function in the space. So I do want the salon to be comfortable. I want it to be clean. And right now, that is what today's all about. I'm gonna clean. And I have this cool window display. And I think with this, my vision is to remove the carpeting. So that's what's gonna happen today, so that I can clean as well really thoroughly. And another reason I don't have Alessia today, I usually have her with me here when I'm cleaning. So this is like day a million that I've been in here cleaning something of some sort. But today, because the garbage is gonna be out of here, it's gonna really help me to like clean this the best I can. And I think the next pieces that I need out are some of this furniture. So I hate to throw it away because that's wasteful, but I know that this is why I like this company, because they're actually gonna probably go through some of the things that I'm discarding. And if they can repurpose it or give it away, it's totally worth it. But I've posted it on Facebook, I've reached out to people, but I just really need it gone so I can get it moving because it's taking up space. And I think that's a representation of things sometimes in your life, it's so philosophical and super deep, but I'm just gonna go there for a moment and call this one done so I can call this video done so I can go ahead and start. But I do believe that sometimes in our life, if you think of our life as a room, or a portion of your life as a room, like it's your job, or it's your family life, or it's whatever it is, whatever that is for you. For me, I'm just going to use the salon as an example. Like getting ourselves prepared, and my business partner is my husband, so that's why I say we, that's what I'm referring to. I think this is a good old couch. Like, it's good, you can sit on it, it's usable, it's functionable. There's some things that you can do to like take care of it and improve its appearance. You could probably even repolster it and it would work. But sometimes you look at an old couch, or you look at something that you have and it's taking up that space. It's actually not allowing you to move to the next point, or it's not allowing you to grow, to develop. And sometimes those things it's hard to get rid of it. It's hard to move on. It's hard to do the thing. But that's where our faith in God comes in, and trusting and believing in his promises and his word will get you through everything that we face in life. And know this, that each person, just like you, are encountering their own couches, their own things that are taking up space. And I think that's one of my husband and I, that's one of our biggest things, like clutter. Like, we try our best. I'm more guilty of it than he is, but I try my best to live as clutter-free as possible. And like, what happens in your brain is that you're actually settling down on something, and you're just like, I can't deal with this. So the bills, I'm gonna settle here, and this, I'm gonna settle here. And then all of a sudden you just build up like a stack, because it's been weeks since you've actually opened the mail that is important, but you have to address it, and you haven't addressed it yet. And then you open up the bills and you pay that and you move on. I just think my point is, when there's something that you don't want, that you can't use anymore, it's time to let go. Don't be afraid to let go of it. When you clear your space, where you clear your heart. And I think for us, spiritually and physically, things that we can do to help that become real is to pray. So I think praying without ceasing is a spiritual development. Like, it's a habit. It's not something that just starts and you just do it. It's a way of your life. It's a way of you being. And it's the only thing that will get you through everything. So, and I literally mean everything. Like, it could be so simple as you don't know what to cook for dinner. Like, first, let's start with gratitude that you have food in your fridge. You might not have everything you want, or like a filet mignon, but do you really need that? Like, no. You can eat chicken. Nothing's wrong with chicken, tuna, whatever. Figure it out, and you can make something gourmet out of it, right? It's about how you look at things. It's about the attitude and the mindset that you have. And it's difficult. It's not easy. I think being able to speak to someone, vent, get it out. But at the same time, sometimes venting, you're just breathing in and out this like CO2, like this stuff you don't need. Like, you don't want that. So it's time to unmask yourself from all that and pray, bring it to God, because he's the only one who can fix it and do anything. And I think it is healthy still to talk about it, but to an extent, because me keeping talking about this couch. I've been trying to move it, trying to get people to take it. I'm like, $50, you want it, $25, you want it for free, just come pick it up. Like, dude, pick it up, you want it. But what I realized is that, like, I can't let this hold me back. Such a like weird example, but whatever that is for you, I hope that this this example helps you, blesses you. And I just pray blessings over you guys and wish me the best as I clean.